guys, it's Brooke Fleetwood, the beauty guru of the Midwest. Today we are going to be applying fake eyelashes. So if it's something that you're interested in, stay tuned. So I am going to be taking off my old eyelashes. Whoa. Here we go. Okay. And we're going to be applying new ones. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on a small coat of mascara. I'm going to be using the BB False Lash Mascara, just a super itty bitty teeny weeny bit. And this is the False Lash. The lashes are going to be usually in a container like this or smaller. What you're going to do is you're going to bend the plastic and then you're going to grab the middle of the eyelash, being very gentle on the hairs and pulling them off. Like so. Put it on the table and do the next one. And there you are. After that, we are going to make sure our eyelashes are seamless. So applying possibly a small layer of eyeliner would be your best bet to make them seamless. Today we're going to be using black tar. It is a cream-based eyeliner. We're going to be putting this on with a eyeliner brush. Next, I'm going to be putting this just on the base of my eyelash, right where my eyelashes grow. Just a teeny itty bitty little bit. This is going to blend the seam of the lash so that the blackness of the eyelash blends in with the eyeliner. Brushes, I feel like you get an more even application. It's pretty much dummy proof, which is good for beginners. Then you can move up to, let's say, liquid eyeliner. And there's that. So I'm gonna get one of my eyelashes ready and then move to the other side. So today I'm gonna be using Duo Glue and my eyelash. Want to apply a thin layer of glue to the lash. So just a little thin layer. You're gonna get it on the hairs just a tad. It won't ruin your eyelashes at all when you want to reuse them. So do a thin layer and you're gonna let that sit for a minute. I'm gonna do the other side. Let that sit. Don't get your lashes mixed up. Make sure your left is going to be on your left eye and your right is going to be on your right. Let me do the eyeliner on the other side now. So again, just right where my eyelashes grow is where the liner is going on. And this is going to make the lashes seamless. Okay, so next, you want to measure your eyelashes to make sure that they're going to be the right size. So what you're going to do is just kind of lay it on the lash line to see if you want how long you want your eyelashes to be. So if you have smaller eyes, your eyelashes are going to be smaller then. And I do have smaller eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim off the outer layer of the eyelash. So this outside, I'm going to trim. Inside, I'm going to leave. So it's going to be like this. Okay. Trimming off the edge, just a little itty bitty piece. Here's the little edge. Put that away. And they're going to fit just perfectly. So you can use two different kinds of applications. One is a lash applicator, or you can use tweezers. I'm gonna use the lash applicator. The lash applicator kind of acts like your fingers. So I'm gonna apply from the outside part of the eye, drop it to the middle, and then drop it to the inner, okay? I'm gonna use the lash applicators to push the eyelashes onto my lid. Now you're gonna feel the wetness of the glue. That is what you wanna feel. If you don't feel it, they are not gonna be attached. So make sure you really push the eyelashes onto the skin, laying on top of your real lashes. And let's do the other side. Again, the other side should match, the right side should match with the left. And you're gonna measure up, measure, snip the outside part of the eyelash, which would be this side. We're gonna snip this. Usually they're spot on, so what you do to the left side, you're gonna do to the right. Take your lash applicator, lay down the outside, middle, and inner. Have the lash applicator help you touch your skin. You're gonna feel the wetness, and you know you're on. Now it takes eyelashes like 20 minutes to process. So if they're bound to fall off, they're gonna be within that 20 minutes. So at least give yourself a little time to do something before you head out and about, just so you make sure your eyelashes are on tight. If you need to run out the door, obviously you wanna grab your duo glue just for in case. Put this baby in your purse. And another technique to know if your eyelashes are dry or not, the glue does come out gray. Let me see if I can bubble up here. It's gray. When the glue dries, it's going to be black. So that's another hint if your glue is dry or not. Also, another way to see if your glue is dried on your eyes correctly, you should be able to pull out, like up on your eyelashes, and they should not come off. So that's another helpful tip to know if your eyelashes are on or not. At the end, you might just want to add a touch of mascara just to blend in your real lashes to the fake eyelashes. Add any extra mascara that you want below the lashes as well. Just kind of foof them up here, blend them in real good. And voila, that is how you apply fake eyelashes. It's that simple. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and then comment below what you guys want to see next. You can also order what I use online at bbmakeuponline.com. Thank you so much for watching.